Osborne. I'm a senior at UNK, majoring in secondary education with an endorsement in social sciences and with a minor in special education. I'm a retired Army veteran, a longtime member of the Carroll Fire Department, and a Boy Scout leader for over 25 years. My favorite hobbies are reading, fantasy and historical novels, and landscaping around my home. I am married to my wonderful wife, Amy, who has a master's degree in business administration and works for Central Community College in Grand Island. We have 4 children, a wonderful son in law, and 2 fabulous grandsons. Our oldest son, Richard, is an engineering student at UNL and works for Nelnet in the student loan department. No, he cannot help you. Our next son, Kenny, is currently student teaching and will graduate from UNL in May with a dual degree in elementary education and special education. Our daughter, Andrea, and her husband, Matt, are both graduates from UNL. Andrea has a degree in business administration and Matt in mechanical engineering. They live in Texas and are the parents of our grandsons, Daniel, a first grader, and Eli, who is 3 and cannot understand why he cannot go to school yet. Our youngest son, Andrew, lives in Pennsylvania and is employed in the logging industry while he figures out what he wants to do with his life. Finally, my wife and I have one pet, a cat named Mouse.